the changes that have occurred within inside the beltway of Hollywood proper, if you will.
Yeah.
And how life has changed for the entirety of the creative process and community, really, in terms of how films are developed, how they're, how many are developed and made, how the decisions get made, how they get packaged. All of these things have, and so what does that look like through the lens of a Doug Richardson, if you were to sort of sit back and say, this is where we've been, this is where we are, this may be where we're going?
Well, it's kind of strange and overwhelming if you actually look at where it's been and where it might go. And our conversation was primarily about where it might go or where it's going, because there's a whole lot of different forks in the road. At the same time, we were talking about primarily the changing platforms and formatting of content, which I find really interesting and super exciting. I don't know if the content necessarily is changing.
Right.
I think people are still compelled to watch good stories with great characters that go to great places. Whether it's escapism or some other form of entertainment. I don't think those things are going anywhere. I think just where and how we see them is what's really changing, and changing is the biggest word, because it is evolving right before our eyes. The world I was birthed into in film had kind of been around for a while, and it was a system, and if you got it and it worked for you, great. Now it's not a system. It is a landscape of opportunities and disappointments, but still a lot of opportunities out there, and so that's what's exciting. At the same time, I don't have any insight into any new content that they're going to be interested in. It's just the places you're going to be able to watch, the content and how you're going to watch it.